A Turkish expert has said that the success of China in renewable energy inspires and shows a responsible path to other countries, including Turkey, for tackling the climate crisis.
China has a significant progress to transform its energy resources from fossil fuels, from coal to renewable energies. And also China has developed industries for example, wind power, solar power, and also building electric vehicles and power batteries. China has transformed its energy resources from fossil fuels to clean energy, and also developed important technologies. China will share its know-how and experience for renewable energy or renewable energy related industries to boost economic cooperation with other countries. This is a good opportunity for other countries, particularly developing countries in the global south.
The expert also says that there is a great potential for cooperation between China and Turkey in developing renewable energy-related industries.
Turkey is also seeking to develop its clean energy strategy. Building cooperation with China will be a big leverage for Ankara to develop its economic sectors from fossil fuels dependency to renewable energies. And it will be a win-win cooperation between Ankara and Beijing. It will be a great opportunity for Turkish economic sectors.